guys, do not come to Hershey on July 4th, especially later in the afternoon when there's a concert going on. So I've been asked by a couple people to do a couple construction updates for Project 2025 here at Hersheypark. In case you don't know, it's pretty much almost confirmed now that they are going to be getting an S&S Scream and Swing in the Common Hollow area. So very exciting. I think that will be a great addition to this place. If you haven't ridden Finnegan's Flyer at Busch Gardens Williamsburg or Serengeti Flyer at Busch Gardens Tampa, it's essentially that. We used to have one of these at Dorney Park, but yeah, looks like one's coming to Hershey. I think I actually showed it off back earlier in the season as it was under construction, but a lot has changed since then, so thought we would cover it now. So unfortunately, Skyview is currently not open right now, so we're not going to be taking a ride on that. But yeah, a lot has happened over here. We have a couple excavators out on site. And the old amphitheater is pretty much all gone at this point. So, very exciting to see. So earlier on in the season, I really thought that they were going to use this for their new Estate of Evil maze, but that's actually going over in Tidal Force Catering. So this is actually a pretty big plot of land. I wouldn't be surprised if they could fit a couple additions in this area. And this is one of my favorite areas of Hersheypark because you just have all these coasters going all over top of each other. You got Comet over here, Super Duper Looper, the Skyview, Great Bear going over everything, and then Skyrush towering over everything, as well as the Wave Swinger attraction. So just so much just like kinetic energy going on in this area. Not to mention this beautiful stream running through Hersheypark, really just picturesque. This is one of my favorite areas. So adding a new attraction to this area is just really gonna make this area shine even more. Oh, I almost forgot, Coal Cracker over there. That's another one that just, again, just all this kinetic energy, just seeing another attraction added will be great. Skyrush, fantastic. I tend to prefer the left wing seat because it really is a lot more whippy. Like I was saying, it's a lot more whippy than the right side, I find. But yep, let's head back up to Kissing Tower Hill and then we'll head back to Wildcat. So while we're heading up there, I thought I would make a note here. I don't plan on making these construction updates pretty much every week like I did for Wildcat or RMS or Flash, but I do plan on making a couple of these videos for Project 2025 here and there, you know. Another thing to note is that Hershey tends to build these smaller flat rides really quickly. If you guys remember, Mixed went up in like a week or so. So, yeah, it's not really going to be too frequent like the coaster updates I do. But, yeah, every now and then, I'll try to make a video on one of these. So we got a big hole right here. So I'm thinking that this is for electrical work for the attraction. Yeah, very interesting. We also got some markers down here. So, very exciting. Hershey has also installed this walk bridge here while the ride's under construction. So, yeah, they are going to be busy here in the next upcoming months. I have a feeling that when this is under construction, this outdoor patio will probably be closed here at Overlook, just because it's so close. Yeah, I'm amazed at how close you can get to this thing. This is gonna be great. Definitely a lot more progress than we saw back in April. So they're moving pretty quickly on this. Okay, so I hope to get a couple rides on Wildcat's Revenge. It's 45 minutes before the park closed, and then probably head out because there is currently a Justin Timberlake concert going over there in Hersheypark Stadium. And last year when I was here for 4th of July, I got stuck in mass traffic trying to get out of here. So I don't want a repeat performance of that again. I don't think I got home till like 1 o'clock in the morning. So that was not too fun because especially I had to work the following day. So trying to get out of here pretty soon. But yeah, guys, if you're watching this, hope you guys had a great 4th of July. I just got done with my family get together. So yeah, decided to come to Hersheypark for a couple hours, kill some time, and get some rides in on Skyrush and Wildcat. 3 rides there on Wildcat's Revenge, and I forgot how good that is in the front row. I sat towards row 3, and so I definitely have a new opinion. It's definitely a lot more violent in as you sit towards the front of the train. As you sit towards the back, you're getting pulled. You're getting pushed up into those elements. And the airtime is violent and aggressive. Wow, that is... The thing is, I don't really usually get to do it in towards the front. I kind of try to head towards the back. Row 11 is often my choice of row, just because I like sitting towards the front of... So, in each car, I like sitting in the front 2 seats versus the back 2 seats, just because you get a little bit more room in between cars than you do in the back seat. You can get a little cramped as you sit towards in one of the back 2 rows of each car. So yeah, row 3, row 1, very recommended. That is, like I said, definitely a front row ride. Also, just a public service announcement. There was somebody that was dehydrated and probably passed out from heat exhaustion. Please make sure you are drinking water, guys. If you have a drink plan, please make sure you're constantly filling these up. Ice water is free. Hershey has lots of water stations. Get yourself some ice water because it is been a hot one this summer. Yeah, it's not fun passing out from heat exhaustion, and it's not fun as well passing out on coasters, trust me. And well guys, that's gonna do it from this Project 2025 construction update here at Hersheypark. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm very excited for that area of Hersheypark next year. It's getting a brand new ride. It's gonna be fantastic. Definitely for the families. I imagine it will probably be a Hershey bar height requirement. Maybe a little bit too intense for Reese's, but definitely a Hershey requirement. I believe the S&S Scream and Swing at Maurice Pierce was 48 inch. So yeah, very solid ride. And it's gonna be a great fit here. So anyways guys, if you like this update, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the other fun stuff going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.